My name's Chris Howell. I'm a Theragun trainer. Today we're going to talk about some of the benefits of percussion therapy. Brittany, so this is the Theragun G3Pro percussion therapy device. We have the power button and then we have the 2 speeds. And so you turn it on, it's going to be the lowest speed first. So you can try this, Brittany. Yeah, it's soft, right?
Yeah.
And now we're going to go into the next speed. Try that. That's percussion therapy right there. So for a workout, we always like to recommend pre-workout. You just want to hit those 30 seconds on those muscle groups, and that just kind of wakes you up. Now, anything north of 2 minutes, that'll start to say to your brain, hey, we're relaxing. And that's going to be down-regulating your system. So we're going to be doing a post-workout recovery, starting up with Brittany's upper back and then working all the way down to her feet. So we'll start up here. So I'm going to be using the 2nd speed. I'm just letting it float on her and I'm not pushing down. The post-workout, when you're spending all that time on those big muscle groups, you're going to draw the blood in and those nutrients to start the repair, the muscle building process to maximize that recovery process. And we're just going to be going down both sides, right next to her spine. And then we're going to go down the side of her glute here and then her hamstring. So going down to the calves here now. And this is like one of my favorite spots up next is like the bottoms of the feet. When you're applying the G3 Pro or Theragun to someone else, you don't know how hard you're actually pushing. But the best thing is if they're like, hey, I don't feel anything, or that started to help but really didn't, let them do it. All right, so move it up the side of your leg. Yep, and you know your body best. So you come down, you want to spend a little bit more time in different areas. Feel free to stop at that point, go 1 or 2 over, and then move on to the front of your quad, your leg. Cool, now take it with your right hand, and let's go up to your shoulder. Yep, and get that chest, and then move into your shoulder, the front of your shoulder, the side of your shoulder. And then at this point, we would just switch hands, and then we would do the same thing on the other side.